Hello everyone, this is Shivangi ma'am here. I'm here to teach standard 4, subject science and chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is solid, liquid and gases. First of all, I'll give one example of each. Solid. Solid, you can see chair and table around you. These are known as solid. These are the states of matter. Matter का ये तीनों state है. किस किस state में it exists. Okay. Liquid is water. And gases, the smoke is a gas, is a example of gas. Look around your room, you'll see doors, tables and everything. Whichever hard thing you see around yourself is a solid, okay? Whichever liquidy part you see, that is a liquid. Whichever gaseous part you see, that is gas, alright? The things which is around us, are made up of different materials, okay? They are made up of different materials. So what is a matter made up of? Matter is a thing which will see how a matter is made up of. A matter in the world is made up of molecules. Molecules are the smallest substance in matter that can exist independently. So mainly matter कहा जाता है the thing which occupies space and have mass. The thing which occupies some space on land and which has some mass, that is known as matter. And matter is made up of small molecules. Alright, small molecules. And molecules are the smallest part of substance in matter. Matter में जो सबसे smallest substance होता है, that is known as molecule. And they can also exist independently. They can also exist in a free state and in a independent state. They are not dependent in each other. For example, a drop of water is made up of molecules of water. As example, we can see a drop of water which is called H2O. You'll read it in higher classes. These are made up of molecules of water. Now we'll see states of matter. States of matter are of 3 states, which is solid, liquid and gas. Now we'll read what is a solid. Hold your pencil tightly. Do you feel its hardness? It is a solid. Solid have a fixed shape and definite volume. Whichever solid is there. Okay, solid has a fixed shape. Solid का जो shape होता है, it is a fixed shape and have a definite volume. Solid cannot increase and cannot decrease. It has a fixed volume. Solids can be held. This is so because the molecules in a solid are tightly packed. We can hold a solid thing, like we can hold a chair, we can hold a pencil, we can hold an instrument box. Why? Because the molecules which is present in that solid, they are tightly packed with each other. They are very close to each other. They cannot move around. However, we can change the shape of some solid by using force. Press a rubber ball, the shape of the ball changes. So solids have a fixed shape and fixed volume. Although we can change shape, okay, we can by giving force to it, we can change its shape. We can change the shape. Apart from other solids, we can change some of the solids. We can change the shape, but the volume is definite. We cannot change the volume. We cannot increase or decrease it. Okay. We can hold a solid. Why? Because the molecules of the solid are tightly packed with each other. Okay. Now we'll read about liquid. Milk is a liquid. Is it hard? Can you hold it in your hand? No, it does not have a fixed shape because the molecules in a liquid are loosely packed and can move around. The liquid part, whatever liquid is present, जो भी liquid part होता है, we cannot hold it. We can only hold it when we put liquid in a certain utensil or certain bowl or something. We can only hold it when it is in a utensil. We cannot hold it because the molecules present in that liquid is not tightly packed. It is loosely packed and it can also move around. Alright? It can be poured into a vessel. Liquids take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. So, liquid can be poured in a vessel or any utensil. We can pour liquid. We can put liquid in any utensil or any vessel, and that liquid takes the shape of that very utensil. Okay, when we put liquid in utensil or vessel, it takes the shape of the similar utensil. Okay, so here we understand that the liquid have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept, can be poured and can flow. However, liquids have a fixed volume. So liquids does not have a fixed shape. Why? Because their molecules are not they are loosely packed. They are not tightly packed. They takes the shape of the utensil in which they are poured. But the volume of the liquid is definite, means we cannot change the volume of the liquid. Gases. Now we'll read about the gases. Air is a mixture of gases. The air we breathe, the air which is around us, it is a mixture of gases. It is not made up of only one gas. It is made up of different gases. Smoke can be seen, but air cannot be seen. You cannot hold a gas in your hand. When air is filled into a balloon, it takes all the space inside the balloon. We can pump more and more air into a football. It means the more air can be filled into the same space. The smell of a perfume spreads quickly from one corner to another. This is so because the molecules in gases are very loosely packed and gases can flow easily. We read about solid, we read about liquid. Now we are reading about gases. So the molecules which is present in the gases are very loosely packed and they can flow from one place to another very easily and very quickly. They do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape in which they are filled. Like if you're filling a balloon with air, they'll take the shape of balloon. So here we got to know that gases have no fixed shape, have no fixed volume. They fill up the vessel, fill the space of the vessel and flow more easily than liquids. When it is compared with the liquid, it flows more easily because they are very, very, very loosely packed. They do not have any fixed shape. They do not have any fixed volume. Okay. States of matter are interchanged. So we can change. Some matters can be changed. Can change their state. Like if you'll see a ice cube. Ice cube is what? Ice cube is a solid state. In a solid state means it is a kind matter which is in a solid state. When we put ice in a normal temperature, when outside means outside the refrigerator, when we put ice outside the refrigerator, when it comes in a contact of room temperature, then it starts melting and it becomes liquid. Alright, so we saw the ice cube. Ice cube is solid. When it comes in contact of room temperature, it becomes liquid. Okay, and when we give heat to the liquid, it changes its state into gas. From liquid to gas, it evaporates. When you see a water boiling, so when we give heat to water, it starts evaporating. It changes itself from liquid to gas. Alright. So here are some examples are there. Now what happens when sugar dissolves in water? When we put sugar in water, its molecules scatter throughout the water. They occupy the empty spaces in between the molecules of water. This is why sugar seems to disappear when it dissolved in water. So you have seen when you take a glass of water and you mix sugar in it, when you mix it, वो धीरे धीरे it starts disappearing. The sugar starts disappearing. How the sugar disappears? It only happens because the water spaces, means the space which is in water, means the air spaces which is present in the water, it takes the molecules of sugar get settled in that air spaces, though it gets dissolved in water and it's we cannot see any particle of sugar in water present. Okay, so when it is clear, like when we take a glass of water and we mix a spoonful of sugar in it, that sugar dissolves in water and takes the air spaces which is present in the water. Present जो air spaces present रहते हैं water के अंदर, they take their places. Okay. Shows the volume of the solution remains almost the same as the volume of the solvent. So whenever we mix it also, after mixing also the solvent and the solute, when we mix solvent with solute, it forms a solution. Okay, एक solvent हो गया sugar and एक solute हो गया water. When we mix these both of the things, it what makes a solution, and the volume of the solution does not changes. This is because sugar does not take up any extra spaces. Its molecules only fill up the empty spaces between the molecules of water. So this is the volume is not differ. Volume change नहीं होता है. Why? Because sugar has not taken any further places in it, and it only took the air spaces which was present in the water. Okay. So here your chapter is completed. Now I told you that sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. The thing which we mix in a liquid, that is called solute, and in which it get dissolves, that is called solvent, and together they make solution. Okay, here your chapter is completed. I'll give you question and answers through WhatsApp group. Stay home, stay safe, and do study, students. Take care.